If you're an engineer, you're probably not going to be an engineer for the rest of your life or be doing engineering for the rest of your life. By getting, and this is something that they need to understand and appreciate, because by doing liberal arts, by getting exposed to so many different subjects and areas, you never know, because they might start engineering, but then most of the organizations today have programs where employees can diversify, go into different functions, and that is where it helps you, because you suddenly start taking in those that knowledge that you got from your education, from your liberal arts background, and using that. That's one. And the second is, as you go up the corporate ladder, you're probably not going to be doing pure engineering. You'll be managing engineers. So, that's where it comes. I mean, that's where it becomes so important that you have that additional knowledge and that different facets of that education. So I think it's brilliant if you have a background in liberal arts. Thank you.